The future of smart cars is characterized by ever-evolving possibilities. However, current tires also transcend conventional limitations. Tire production revolves around the paramount concept of safety and closely intertwines with tire molds. With each use, molds accumulate residues of rubber and mold release agents, which can result in defects during tire production. Additionally, the intricate patterns and narrow textures on molds pose a significant challenge when it comes to cleaning them. Conventional methods of mold cleaning, such as sandblasting, ultrasonic cleaning, or dry ice cleaning, suffer from drawbacks such as high intensity, low efficiency, prolonged duration, increased energy consumption, as well as dust and noise pollution. These methods fail to meet the stringent requirements of modern tire production, which emphasize energy efficiency, emission reduction, and eco-friendliness. In the era of carbon reduction, laser cleaning has emerged as an indispensable solution to ensure driving safety. HE-Tech intelligent equipment designed for laser cleaning of tire molds offers the following advantages: precise and high-quality cleaning by employing proprietary visual guidance technology. The cleaning process is meticulously controlled, resulting in enhanced mold cleaning quality. Fully automated cleaning. The equipment automatically executes cleaning operations following pre-programmed cleaning paths, ensuring consistency throughout the cleaning process. High temperature resistance and non-disassembly. It can clean a pair of tire molds in as little as 20 minutes without the need for mold disassembly. Versatility and compatibility with various specifications, overcoming challenges related to core components such as lasers, cleaning heads, and visual guidance technology. The equipment can accommodate multiple mold specifications. Clean and environmentally friendly operation. Laser cleaning is a pollution-free process with minimal noise and low energy consumption.